There is an incident that happened with the Prophet ﷺ when he told his companions about the 70,000 people who will enter into the Jannah without any questioning, without any punishment. Upon hearing that, one of the companions, Ukasha ibn Muhsin, he said, Ya Rasulallah, make dua and ask Allah to make me from those 70,000. He said, you're from those 70,000. When the other people saw the hastiness of Ukasha, another man said, Ya Rasulullah, make dua so I can be from them as well. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Ukasha, he beat you to it. I'm not going to make dua for anyone else. Ukasha was the first in the line, and as a result of that, he'll get all of those rewards. We're encouraging each and every one of you brothers and sisters, old and young, Arab and non-Arab alike, that you be like Ukasha. Hurry up and do the good deeds and spend in the cause of Allah Azza wa Jal. Spend that which will come back to you and your family with good. May Allah Ta'ala open up your hearts. May Allah open up your minds. May Allah open up your spirits and your hands to give. Fi sabilillahi. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.